Okay, let us solve this quadratic equation using the completing the square method. So first, dapat yung C is nasa kanan. So in the given, yung C natin ay nasa kanan na. So ang gagawin na lang natin, mag-add na lang tayo ng third term dun sa kaliwang expression. So x squared minus 14x plus blank equals 32 plus blank. So, para makuha yung third term, itong negative 14, i-divide natin sa 2. So, ang lalabas ay negative 7. So, i-square natin. So, we have 49. So, 49 ang i-add natin. Then, sa kanan din, 49. After that, i-factor natin ito since ang na-form natin na expression dyan ay perfect square trinomial. So, that means meron siyang factor. Ang factor niya is magkaparehas lang. So, ang factor ay x minus 7 times x minus 7 equals, so add na natin to, 32 plus 49 is 81. Then, express natin itong factors niya as square of binomial. So, we have x minus 7 squared equals 81. Then, extract the square root. Cancel na lang natin to. So, we have x minus 7 equals plus minus or positive negative 9. So, dalawa yung kanyang square root. So, that means dalawa din yung value ng x. So, x minus 7 equals positive 9. Tapos, x minus 7 equals negative 9. So, mag-add lang tayo ng 7 both sides to cancel out this one. So, x equals 16. Dito naman sa kabila, mag-add din tayo ng 7. So, x equals negative 9 plus 7 is negative 2. So, ayan na yung kanyang roots or solution. So, dito naman tayo sa kabila. So, dito, since ang a naman natin ay 1, so no need to divide it by a. Gagawin na lang natin, ililipat natin itong negative 21 sa kanan. So, x squared plus 4x equals positive 21. Then, solve for the third term. So, x squared plus 4x plus blank equals positive 21 plus blank. Solve natin. So, yung positive 4, i-divide natin sa 2. So, we have 2. Then, square, we have 4. So, plus 4 plus 4. Then, factor the perfect square trinomial. So, we have x plus 2 times x plus 2 equals 25. Then, after factoring, express the factors as square of binomial. So, x plus 2 squared equals 25. Then, we have to extract the square root. Cancel. So, x plus 2 equals plus minus 5. So, paghiwalay natin to plus tsaka minus 5, no? So, x plus 2 equals positive 5. X plus 2 equals negative 5. So, minus 2 both sides. X equals 3. So, dito, minus 2 both sides. So, x equals negative 7. So, this is how we solve for quadratic equations using completing the square.